Welcome to another Lightroom Mobile tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply preset to multiple photos. All right. Say, for example, this photo right here. As you can see, it got a preset. I want to check on presets right here. As you can see, I am currently using this preset, which is a preset of mine. All right. So in order to share this one to multiple photos or all of your photos, just go ahead and tap on three dots right here at the top right. As you can see, we have the option called copy settings. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and select the necessary options. For example, auto setting, profile color, crop and geometry, remove masking and light, and so on and so forth. All right, just hit on OK. It says here settings copied. Now go back to your library right here. All right, library, not gallery. Again, go back to library. Now go ahead and select the photos where you wanted the particular preset to be sent or to be used. For example, this photo right here, this one and this one. Now, what we're going to do next is just basically go to the bottom right here at the very bottom. Now tap on paste edits. Tap on it. And it says here, are you sure you want to paste to these three photos? This action cannot be undone. Just hit on apply and wait for it. And it says here processing and the changes applied to 3 photos. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.